Hi, my name is Virgin Christian T. De Guzman, 20 years of age, from the province of Rizal. My stand against the SK abolition or reformation is reformation. Why? Because the voice of the youth is very vital to our government. Youth representation in the government would be very much deprived, and youth empowerment would be defeated. We should take in cognizance to the provision of the 1987 Constitution, Article 3, Section 1, which states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of law, nor any person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws. Furthermore, the notion of SK being a breeding ground for political dynasties is a mythical one. Why? Because these persons who are saying this really don't know what they are claiming for. Public service, the sanctity of it, is at stake right here. The people, especially the youth, who are the ones exercising their right of suffrage from the very first time, would got to be polluted by illogical minds and ideas. Meaning to say, we are very judgmental about it. If we only let the youth decide for their own, with minimal supervision from these politically ill animals, then I think it would be better. I think also that Section 26, Article 2 of the 1987 Constitution should take into a concrete law. Why? Because there will always be the presence of these outlaws that will try to influence the youth, and the youth should take into attack of it to be decisive. Practice the principle of stare decisis for them to change the system and the society as a whole. Remember that public service is a public trust. Public officials and employees should take into integrity and sincerity into the public service. Thank you.